This 2024 Aliner Ascape Plus is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 14 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, self-contained, spare tire kit, microwave, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, auxiliary battery, water heater, TV, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Aliner Ascape Plus is 1,655 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.